Hey guys, and we are playing this. And go check out my brother's channel. Oh, and my brother, what's up? Join me, bro. Oh, and why are there intruders again? Guys, watch oh shoot, the baby guy is gonna get killed. Guys, you didn't see anything, guys. Stop saying.
Blood, wrap me quick! I'm getting killed!
Okay.
No, cactus.
Connecting the friend server. Gosh. Please work this time, please.
Wait, don't invite me now! I'm gonna kill a big mama ant.
What? There are always intruders in our house.
Well, I yeeted the
The
big
nut.
mama ant.
There are always intruders in our house. Get out of here, intruders. Get fireballed.
Today we'll be building my base. Right?
No, I'm just gonna take this coin and get out.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade this.
Okay, don't invite me now.
Coins. Okay, I'm trying. Please, Ken.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy these things with money.
Yes, it worked.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Invite.
What's up, dude?
Okay, invite sent. Setting up. Okay, entering game, man. Okay, he's in. Let's go.
Entering game mode. Hey, am I?
And I'm going back to my castle of doom. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna. Oh, just here's our house. And here's my dinosaur.
Wait, can I have my pet first?
Your pet? You made a pet without me? How dare you!
Wait, what pet?
Ooh la la, I can upgrade. Guys, if you didn't watch our last time we made,
What was our things?
go check them out. Just watch my
What was
videos.
our incubator here?
Yeah, these are incubators.
Oh.
Uh-oh, I'm lagging. Uh-oh. Oh no!
I am lagging.
Someone's using it.
Patch egg.
Oh my gosh! Ew! It's called ugly Chad. Opening basket. Okay. Nope, time out.
Venomous.
I don't think this sounds better, but who cares? Wolfenstein Jr. Bro, let's bring our pets to war. We might have to lose some of our things. Our armor and
These
stuff.
ads.
No. Oh my god, I injured you.
Hey, Donald Trump.
Bro. You
No,
could've-
I'm not lying.
Don't promote ads.
Ooh,
Go create
see
armor.
This looks fun.
Go create some metal
Pew,
helmets.
pew.
This is our super armor chests. Okay. Why this gonna happen?
DK, his name is called DK because I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have gems.
Alright, bro, get me some. Let's go mining. Guys, we're gonna go mining. This is so satisfying. I'm destroying everything on my path. Leaving every single animal here homeless. No. New power. Okay. Nice. Steal the egg. Inventory. Nice, is still not full. If you guys got any tips on this, please. Wait, what do you need again? Oh shoot.
I want you to die.
You're so violent. I can't find any.
Venomous. Go attack that big boy there. Go attack that big boy and die, please.
I can't find any
Yes,
iron. Is there
Venomous
iron?
died, bro.
Wow. Are you kidding me?
Die, big mama yeti. Go get me a wolf.
Wait, I'm trying to mine.
I said a wolf.
Yeah, I'm trying to stone ore. I just want.
Get no.
Ah, stop it.
Then get me a wolf before you die now.
Okay, I'm trying to find iron.
Now.
Guys, if you got any tips, please help me. Stop. Oh gosh, is that a big shark salmon? Goodness
Well, can you
gracious.
help me find a...
Yeah, wait, I'm trying to see now.
Help me find it now. I want to make a dino wolf.
300. Goodness. Bah! Die. Oh, no, I'm running. This is the big
Sup,
area.
big mama? What the hell, Shindy?
Just fight, boy. Why am I fighting with my pickaxe?
Stupid idiots.
Oh my gosh, help, bro, help. Oh, phew, I escaped. I escaped with really little health. I quit. I am all right outside our house and I go so far away. Wow. Today, guys, we're going to upgrade our base.
My base.
I mean, we're going to upgrade. We're going to go battle. We're going to take our pets with...
Oh, you mean the pet I killed?
You killed it?
What the wolf?
What the...
I told you like 15 times I want a wolf. Not a stupid human.
It's metal iron.
No, don't be dumb.
Metal's technically an iron.
Hey, I found the eagle.
Kill it. Steal its eggs, ma.
Hey, give me your eggs, eagle. Poop. Poop.
Equipped in slot 2 to kill people.
I said poop.
There's an intruder! Repeat!
Oh!
Intruder alert! Okay, I killed everything. Holy, this one thick bone.
Boom.
Look at how thick that bone is. Metal
Kill
bar.
everything in my
Yes.
sight.
Metal bar. Yes.
Everyone die.
Metal bar. Yes. No.
Die. Attack.
I need armor, bro. That's why I'm creating armor.
Oh, we're going mine.
Guys, I'm gonna see you in a bit.
Nope.
Yeah. Alright, guys, he's useless, so he's just gonna wait
At base, it's not.
here with his butt facing the door, actually here, to welcome us. Yeah. So it's kind of useless and I don't really care, and I'm gonna get some more stuff. I'm just gonna leave these ugly poodles alone.
Poogo.
Bro.
Get it, poo? Girl?
I don't get it, but girls. Equip my super ice sword and killing people. I'm gonna try getting the fire sword.
I already have the fire sword.
Huh? I got 6,000.
What's that, poo? Goose? Us?
Yeti human, ew, that's so disgusting.
Hey, bro, guess what?
What?
I have this.
What? Oh, that's a dead body!
Should I place it here?
Put it, yeah, there. In front of our super...
This is mine.
Oh, that's your house.
Yeah.
Never mind.
I'm going to put it here.
Guys, I have no idea what we're doing in this video, but...
Yeah, building
Whoa!
Bro, you're building my things. Okay, come here.
But I'm trying to find
Right now.
I'm trying to find the wolf, right?
Nope. Yeah, okay, help me find wolf. Please, no.
I'm still training. Wolf! Wait, no, that's a Yeti human. Big Mama Yeti.
I don't want a big mama. Oh, stupid. Hey.
Really dangerous.
How much you get dinosaur?
Uh-oh, once I die, I'm tiny now.
No ads on my face.
No! And I stole everything. Who needs this when you got this?
Okay, but help me get some stuff.
Eat. Eat. Eat.
Where's the couch?
Oh man, this is a giant Yeti human. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. Yes, you can't
So,
come in
guess
here.
what? I'm going.
Wait, that's define.
But I'm going hunting for XP, okay?
Okay, just get out of here.
Because I have expendo blade.
There's finally people my strength.
I'm going to Yendi. And let's see who I can kill.
Ah, I killed everything. Oh gosh!
You come to
This one,
Yendi
yeah.
for me?
What's that? Okay,
Yeti.
then.
Then, oh, never mind.
Oh, I have gems.
Oh, hi, Bill. I'm pretty sure I destroyed their eggs. Where the hell did their bones go?
I want to create an army.
You know that's not possible.
Yeah, that's why. So I'm gonna get some companions in here.
Don't blame me if I'm stopping my leg. My leg is numb. So you can't blame me.
Sell items, what can I sell? Can you sell a toolbox for $5? I'm gonna buy stuff. Let's see. Pool table.
No, I am.
Let's get a tent.
Bro, where's the money?
Do you want to get a tent?
Bro, where's the money?
I don't know. But do you want to get a tent?
No, where's the big money?
I don't know. Huh, $6,000. I don't know what to get. I'm just gonna get a tent. But I'm gonna buy a tent.
I said get me the big money.
I'm gonna buy a tent to get.
What did I say?
I don't know.
Do you want to die?
I could create a castle.
I said give me a big money.
Oh, this is cool.
Play my song.
8-bit.
I nearly killed Santa.
What's this? It is statue. Oh, I got this. Oh, I got Yeti. Why do I haven't burned this thingy? Imagine if I throw away the tent, that would be wasting $700.
God.
Ooh, what does this do? Game guy. Welcome
What
to the
is
tent
that?
of games. Pick a game, any game. Beat me and you win a prize.
Okay, do it.
I want to play a game.
Do it, bro. Do it. Do it.
Ooh, we're gonna win a game. Play first game guy. I'll play with friends first.
Me.
Oh, you can come first. Teleport the Andy. I'm gonna play with game guy to beat him.
And get some prize, okay?
Guys,
Oh,
which
good
one?
luck.
Heart. Shoot. I don't even know who am I supposed to get. Yes, let's go!
You won?
Oh, I'm seeing the blue balls.
Bro, I got an igloo. Who wants an
Hey,
igloo?
blue balls? Sing the blue balls, okay.
Why is your video 12
Let's go!
minutes and mine is 13?
This is really easy, guys. Let's go!
Die, poodle.
Oh, shoot!
Can you shut up?
Yes, let's go.
Bro, mama boy.
Oh gosh, I lost.
Boom,
Yes,
boy.
Game Boy. Yes, Game Boy. Dumb game guy. Hey, loser. He's a cheater.
Why?
Yeah, he's cheating. What?
How did he cheat?
Yeah, he's cheating, 100%. I just lost.
How's he cheating? Bro, where are you?
Wow.
I'm coming.
Such a cheater.
I'm coming.
He's a cheater.
Do you want to die, big boy?
Oh gosh. Hey guys, I could win again. Nice. But I need to go. Big brain time. So this is here.
You.
Yes, let's go. Oh,
Go.
let's go. Come on, no, please.
I want to kill you.
The game guy's cheating. Oh, you got some coins. Nice.
Bro, I want to kill you.
Game guy is cheating. Game guy is cheating. Bro, stop playing copyrighted music. No, game guy, better not cheat. No, dumb game guy. There we go, cheating games.
Because he's called a game guy, he cheats.
No wonder he's scared. I'm going to
Okay,
see you
what's up,
until
Claw?
you somehow win. Alright, guys. Finally, after this guy cheated. After all, he is a game dude. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, stay away, white ball. Come on, at least one got hit. Oh no, game guy.
Boy, you wanna play this later?
Just what the? This is gonna take forever, guys. Oh my gosh.
So if I get 100, huh? Punk?
Yeah! Oh what? Whoa!
Do you win?
Double sync? Green ball. Why? Why? Go! Hut!
I'm trying to be a competition. Shut up.
Oh. Damn Game Boy. Ha! He sunk the... What? I thought he sunk...
This game guy's a cheat.
This is useless. No! No!
This guy just starts the percentages. This guy's a cheat.
This guy's such a cheat. Bro, move!
This guy's a cheat. This guy.
Whoa, normal will get...
Yeah, play the Octi song. Guys, I'm playing a pool table.
This is so easy. Just spamming it, guys.
The blue ball. Okay. Bah! Double sing, you go again. Yes. Bah!
My fingers are starting to hurt.
Game guys, tell him what's up, game guy. Hi, you suck.
You won?
This game guy sucks. Boom.
Did I win?
Please tell my score. Oh, this game is the worst. Game guy, stupid game guy, still.
8%. 8%!
Why? He sang the long.
8%!
What? Game guy, you suck.
Ah, freaking...
Go, game guy wants to die. Kill him.
Ah. I'll kill you. I'll burn down this hut.
Burn it.
Guys, if you want to see me burn down this hut next video, then check it out.
We can't